a second. Trot in, canter out so that you can get your rhythm, your eye on your straight line so that the next time you can canter it. Or do you want to canter?
Might be a little harder that way.
Okay, then canter it. That's fine. Look up. Now, don't be adjusting your hands. Your hands are flat, wrists together. Stretch up, stretch up, stretch up. Okay, so he's going to give a